Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming critical prerequisites because updates can fail without backups. Make a quick system image or enable file history and free at least 20% disk space. Once done, plug into power and prefer Ethernet for stability. Temporarily disable VPN. Next, open Settings, choose Update and Security, then Windows Update. Click Check for updates and watch for available feature or cumulative patches. This first action triggers downloads and reveals whether a restart or staged install will follow, so stay with the process. You now manage the download and installation phase because that's where most delays and conflicts occur. Once updates appear, prioritize cumulative and feature updates. Scan the update notes for known issues that affect drivers or apps you use. Click Download, then monitor CPU, disk, and network usage. Close heavy apps to avoid throttling. If driver updates are listed, install them after system patches and apply optional features last. Make sure to accept reboots when prompted, because postponing repeatedly increases. You finish by completing reboots and verifying success, since many fixes only apply after startup. Restart when prompted, then check settings until it shows you're up to date. Validate critical apps and drivers. If you see errors or failed updates, run Device Manager and then open an elevated command prompt to run sfc/scano to repair system files. If issues persist, use the Windows Update troubleshooter or restore to a prior restore point. This recovers a working state without a full reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.